Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a file on sustainable development. First, understand that sustainable development balances environmental protection, social equity, and economic viability. Begin by identifying your target audience, whether it is a community group or a corporate board. Next, collect reliable data from reputable organizations, ensuring accuracy and relevance for your specific project. This foundational work is crucial for a compelling and effective file. A well-structured file enhances understanding and impact. Start with an executive summary, approximately 1 page, to provide a concise overview of your findings. Follow this with a comprehensive introduction, setting the context for your work. Then, create distinct sections for environmental considerations, social responsibilities, and economic implications. Each section should contain specific data and analysis, supporting your overall narrative with clear evidence. Effective communication relies on compelling content and data. Utilize visual aids such as charts, graphs, and infographics to present complex information clearly. Quantify impacts with precise metrics. For instance, report a 20% reduction in carbon emissions or a 50,000-liter decrease in water usage. Incorporate real-world case studies and best practices to illustrate successful strategies and provide tangible examples for your audience. Before finalizing, meticulously review your file for accuracy, clarity, and conciseness. Check for any inconsistencies or errors in your data and analysis. Ensure that all recommendations are actionable, measurable, and have a clear path for implementation. Finally, prepare for your presentation by distilling your file into key findings and strong calls to action, aiming for a 20-minute delivery to engage your audience effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.